ट्रेडर्स टाइल्स एंड सैनिटरी, हाउसिंग बोर्ड, कॉलोनी जरचला हमारे यहाँ UPVC, CPVC पाइप, वाटर टैंक, वॉल टाइल्स, फ्लोरिंग टाइल्स, पैरीवेयर की सैनिटरी वाजबी दामों पर दस्तयाब है। इस्तेफादा हासिल करें। Welcome to NHTV News. In the election of Metropolitan Criminal Court Bar Association, the state president of Advocates Forum for Justice, Waheed Ahmed Advocate, supporting candidate by Mr. Kiran Kumar Advocate, won with a huge majority and elected president of Metropolitan Criminal Court Bar Association, on which Waheed Ahmad Adv, former member Telangana State Waqf Board and state president Advocates Forum for Justice, expressed happiness while congratulating and said that his success will give us strength to the lawyers and will lead to solving the problems easily. Do like, share NHTV News and don't forget to do the comment.